Hello, Mr. J.
Hello.
Guys, we have a room, we have a floor, we have painted walls, and we are building furniture. Woohoo! We are going to be, it's very echoey in here, but we are going to be spending our first night in here tonight, whether we are up till midnight or not, building furniture. But this is it, guys. Finally. Yes. Come on, Mr. G. Come on, Mr. G. What do you think to the green? There we go. And then these are my light fittings from IKEA, which I forgot to mention in my haul. But they have a little... How cute are they? So we've got 2 of those. But yes. Very happy right now, guys. And then once that's up, we can look at my landing. This is going, I need to sell this today. But all the clothes, a rail there, stuff down here, look, it's just a dump. All of this here, clothes here, drawers here, spray tan tent there, like you do. Oh, yep. So hopefully, let me turn this lamp off on it, boys. We can get straight back to normal, get rid of all the rubbish everywhere. That's all my gym clothes in there. And over the next few days, while I think we're going to end up in isolation by the weekend, we can do some mega cleaning videos, guys, and getting back to normal. So happy lady right now. So at least if we do get quarantined, I've got my bedroom and we can just chill out and relax. And I love you. Rude.
Well,
You banging while I'm talking. I'm like, rude. So I've been to the gym this morning. Don't worry, wash your hands. Go on then. And I am just wearing one of my Primani t-shirts. Cool to be kind, guys. Take note for all of you that stockpiling food. It's cool to be kind. And just some joggers today. Comfy comfies. Check in with you in a bit, guys. Guys, we're getting there slowly. Mark is now building my bedside table. Or one of them. That's it, Garner. So I'll give you a quick run through of what I've done. So I've got my clothes in there and my belt's down there. So now my clothes are in. Mark can put the second rail in for his clothes. We know what height to put it at now because we know how long mine drop. So he knows how much space he's got. And then I have filled the drawers. So we've just got like underwear and socks in there. This one I've got all my trousers and my pyjamas in this one with a bit of space to go. Got all my gold handles on. And then this one is all my gym wear, and that's swimwear and gym wear, hoodies, jumpers, leggings, tops and into sports bras with, like I say, a bit of space to go. And then these two are going to be Mark's straws, but he needs to sort his clothes out in a bit. And then once he's got everything in there, we can get the doors on. So he's just building these, and then we will probably get the bed in and then the doors on and start accessorising. So it's Wednesday the 18th of March. What news update have we got, Mark? We have just heard from our Prime Minister Boris Johnson. Is that his name? Yeah. Schools are closing as of Friday, which, to be honest, I personally think is too soon, because there's a lot of crazy people out there at the minute, and half of those crazy people are going to be taking the kids to the parks and to the supermarkets and everywhere else where all the vulnerable people are. So me personally feel that the children are safer off and better off at school for as long as possible, or really until the whole of the UK goes into lockdown. So we'll just have to see. But if we do, I mean, Mark's been told he's got to work from home, so he's working from home. My business has gone really quiet, so I'm going to have to advertise as much as possible to try and get clients in, because at the minute I am still open and taking all extra measures, you know. It's clean and tidy anyway, but up in the hygiene even more, making sure I'm wiping down the door handles and everything in between each client. Clients washing their hands every time they come in and sanitising in between treatments. So, you know, doing what we can, but for me as self-employed, it's impacting business already. So if we do all get locked down, at least I'm going to get to enjoy my bedroom. So yes, we will check back in with you guys in a bit.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose, each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like a knife. just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall you came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing